Today, we're going to learn how to calculate numerical data using Google Sheets. Before we begin using formulas, it's important to remember, what are the types of numerical data? Well, the first category we learned about in this unit were measures of center. What are those measures of center? But the mean, the median, and the mode. These ones are really easy to calculate using Google Sheets. You can use your guided notes that you received. You'll notice right here, it outlines exactly how to find these. So our data set here starts in cell B4 and goes all the way to B173. So to calculate this data, we just use a simple formula. And you can see it right here. U equals, you type in the word average, and then you put in the range of your data set. In other words, in this case, from B4 to B73. B equals average, parentheses, B4 colon B173. And so you can see, just calculated an average of that entire 170-piece data set just by typing in a few things. The median is similar. We just type in median, and then we put in the range of the data set. And mode is the same. And you can see I just typed in the mode, parentheses, B4 colon to B173. And as you can see, it does all of that work for me. So instead of having to look through the 170-piece data set, I can use Google Sheets to do some of that work for me. So that's measures of center. We also learned about measures of position. This is also known as the 5-number summary. What are the things in the 5-number summary? Well, first is the minimum. Then we have our first quartile. Then we have our median. Then we have our third quartile. Then we have our max. So again, these are on our guided notes that we received. You can see it talks about maximum, minimum, and quartiles. So I would, as you're doing this, find this Google Sheet and use it to help you. Minimum is quite easy. It's just like the previous ones. We do equals. We type in minimum or min, and then just put in the data set, the range of data set. And it's going to search that entire data set to find the lowest numbers. You see, I made a mistake here, and I forgot to type the letter B. So it's B4 to B173. The first quartile is a little bit more complicated, the formula. You can see it again on your guided notes right here. It says for quartile 1, type in the formula equals quartile dot exc parentheses, and type in the range of the data set. So for us, B4 to B173, comma 1. That 1 means quartile 1. So let's try it. Equals quartile dot exc parentheses. I put in the range of my data set. And then for 1 for first quartile. And it found the first quartile for me, which again, this entire data set's not in any order. So you can see the advantage of doing this, having Google Sheets do this for me. We've already done median before, so that's quite easy for us. And then we have our third quartile. Again, equals quartile dot exc parentheses B4 to B173. And we put a 3 in because we're looking for the third quartile, the upper quartile. And then max equals max, B4 to B173. And we just found all the measures of position using Google Sheets. Lastly, we have our measures of spread. The ones we've talked about are the range and the interquartile range. These are very easy. What you can do is you can see here the max is 12 and the minimum is 2. So the range is 10, right? Because maximum minus minimum. But you can also just do it equals this cell minus this cell. Right, and that way, if these numbers ever change because my data changes, then, for example, if this number became 42, notice how this all changed automatically. Right, that's why you can do that. For interquartile range, same thing. It's the third quartile minus the first quartile. And I've got that. And here I've calculated all of my numerical data. So we'll be using this data to make visual representations in the next step. But this is how you can calculate numerical data on Google Sheets.